We lost over 15 cages. Some were partially lost, some were lost entirely. The whole cage was wiped out.
Where cage fish farmers are counting massive losses following the deaths of thousands of fish in Lake Victoria.
Cage fish farmers from Dunga Beach in Kisumu are reeling in losses of up to 20 million shillings following the sudden death of fish in the cages.
Farmers at Dunga Beach in Lake Victoria are counting losses worth millions of shillings following massive fish deaths in the area.
What we are going to do is solve this. We cannot go on having cage farmers who have invested a lot of money in those cages keep facing the same problem in year out.
In 2023, we had the first fish kill. It was around April, May. Again in 2024, around September. We used to see fish coming on top of the water, you know, breathing, I don't know, gasping for air. But it was massive, but they never died so much. How this happens, you can always tell. Because one of the ways you can tell, you normally see the color of the water turning dark. Yes, then after that, when you come to feed your fish, in fact, anytime that we throw feeds in these cages and there's no fish that comes out, you know, we are always certain that there's something going on. I'll talk about the recent fish kill, this one that happened in 2025, around September. So we lost over 15 cages. Some were partially lost, some were lost entirely. The whole cage was wiped out. Our assumption at that time was that maybe the river that enters, because there was a river that was entering through the wetland straight to the farm, might be the cause. Until today, we've not managed to restock all the cages. So the only thing that we did was to move our cages from the shore up to where we are right now. If you come to Dunga Beach in the morning, early in the morning, if you come to feed, you'll find there's a smell. It smells like, yes. So that smell, we normally think that this is a chemical, maybe from somewhere, maybe a factory or I don't know, anywhere. It might come from, you know, even these houses that are along this river. We have informal settlements. In Nyamuto, it passes through Nyabuto. So we cannot tell where it comes from, but we believe that it is coming from somewhere. Most farmers here, they don't know much about science. You know, they don't know about DO. People just ventured into this business without any certification. So we need to know what is happening at the, you know, in the water, so that we know, or if we have to harvest our cage, or reduce the level of stocking, or reduce the number of fish in that cage, or move from this area to another area. And people are even moving to bigger cages. Behind you, there's a 6 by 10 cage, which is a new trend in Dunga, and there are, I think, 4 in this farm. So we're moving to even bigger cages. Nobody wants to stop. So what we need is somebody to work with us, like KMFRI, somebody to advise us on the best practices.
My name is Naftal Nyabuto, the CEO of Mzawadi Group and one of the founders of Shoshin Innovation Hub. Our reconnaissance with KMFRI, which is a research institute of the government, is to tell the cage farmers and the farmers in Lake Victoria that we are bringing in technology. We cannot go on having the same problems year in, year out without having anybody to solve this problem. And that is what our work is as an innovation hub and as a technology hub.